Hello and welcome to Knowledgist. So today on the show we are going to discuss about the RRB possible vacancies. Okay, so before that, if you are new to this platform, do subscribe us. You are in Knowledgist, India's only dedicated platform for banking lateral entry exams, that is lateral entry, specialist officer, generalist officer and promotion exam with 80% success rate. So yes, I will be discussing with you about the exact vacancy positions which is predicted, analyzed and with concrete research we came up with our RRB recruitment and promotion cell of Knowledgist. As I promised in 1st of January when the result is declared, we are going to constitute a dedicated cell for research on RRB exam contents and promotions. So here we come with that. So before that, I just want all of you to join our dedicated Telegram group, that is RRB GBO 21. It was constituted 2 years back, so it is 21 and GBO, but scale 2, scale 3, both materials are provided here. Daily banking PDF etc. are also shared here in this Telegram channel, and one-stop link for knowledgeist.in/RRB for all RRB courses like your favorite focus, prime batch etc. And small announcement, the next, many of you were asking to join the newly constituted batches, so only focus and prime batch is on, and in focus from 15th March and from 1st of April, one batch each in focus and prime are going to start. So here we give you another chance. If you have not joined earlier, then you can join. All the pre-recorded sessions will be provided to you, but as there are new sessions starting from 15th and 1st of April, you will find it convenient. Okay, and this research credit goes to our exclusive RRB recruitment and promotion cell of Knowledgist research cell. This is not we don't deal with that recruitment and promotion, we deal with research, as I promised, with 15-member team from our existing selected students, and it is headed by one of our great mentors, Mr. Sankalp Tiwari, ex CM, Chief Manager, PNB. Okay, so what are the points which we want to discuss with you and why the recruitment numbers, and I will at the end I will give you exact recruitment numbers as per our analysis. So stay tuned for till that, and please do thumbs up, video को like कर दीजिए, because this comes with so much of research and so much of manpower is used to do this, and we have collected so many data. So that's why I urge all of you to like this video. आप वीडियो को like कर दीजिए ताकि हमें भी आगे इस तरह के रिसर्च वीडियो आपके लिए लाने में हमें मोटिवेशन मिलेगा. ठीक है. Thank you. Aspirant Guide is saying best platform for RRB GBO. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We are probably the only platform with existing bankers in it, and we are not simple educators. All our team members, banking panelists, are having huge banking experience, and the one who is having least banking experience is me, only a decade plus banking experience, and you know my credentials well. Okay, 2,800 plus recruitment retirements this year, and you can verify in every single RRB more than 40 retirements, and in big RRBs 75 plus retirements this year. That means people with date of birth of 1962 were in huge number, joined this bank earlier, and they are retiring in this fiscal year. So 75 plus in biggest RRBs, and in smaller ones 40 plus retirements. So altogether this is 2,800 plus. Somewhere it could also go up to 3,000 to 3,100. Okay, your Deepak Tiwari was saying that. Thank you for that. Yes. So this is the retirement numbers which could also drive up the recruitment numbers in this year. And also there are 1,000 plus resignation thanks to SBI CBO selections last year, which contributed maximum resignations. Also, you know, every year people reshuffle from one RRB to RRB. There are other recruitments also, PNB, etc., where many people, because see, whatever resignations will happen this year, this will not impact this recruitment process of 2022. The only impact will come from last year's resignation and retirements. That's why the manpower planning will go to NABARD and sponsor bank with the with the notification and with the help of sponsor bank, and finally with consultation with NABARD, the final numbers will be advertised, right? So 1,000+ resignations where we contributed maximum. I must say we contributed max in the resignation numbers of RRBs due to high selection numbers from your platform. Then RRB in focus. You know that I have many times taught you what is RRB in focus. That is the prompt corrective action for RRBs. Earlier, for last 2 to 3 years, maximum banks were in RRB in focus. So due to RRB in focus, which is guided by NABARD, banks cannot do any further recruitments. So many banks, though they advertised, but they withdrew the number of vacancies last time. जैसे बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा स्पॉन्सर्ड आरआरबीज ने लास्ट 2 साल से करते आ रहे हैं, वो वैकेंसी नंबर्स को गिरा रहे हैं. एडवर्टाइजमेंट तो होता है बट वो रिक्रूटमेंट कभी हुआ ही नहीं है. ठीक है, तो 3 साल से दे आर फुली ड्राई अप. Many people left their job. Many of them are retiring. There are big banks like Baroda UP having the highest branch share in RRBs, having not recruited any person last 2 years. So here there is a chance because these banks have come out from RRB in focus. So chances are very high, very likely they are going to recruit. Not only they will advertise, they will recruit. I will go with exact numbers in 5 minutes. So stay tuned for that. I just want all of you to thumbs up. आप वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए ताकि हम इंस्पायर्ड रहेंगे आपके लिए रिसर्च वर्क लाएंगे. और I have saved the best for the end, the exact recruitment numbers in scale 2, scale 3. So I just want you to please like the video, and if not subscribed, subscribe and ask your questions. I will answer them. Okay, existing students of BOM can switch to classes there. You can watch this session in recording after some time. Okay, restructuring. Restructuring is a fear that could reduce for short term, because if there will be restructuring, it will be definitely good. More recruitments will come, but it will take time for adjusting the manpower. It will take 1 to 2 years. So it will dry up vacancies for 1 or 2 years. Okay, they will align their numbers because we are expecting National Rural Bank or a bigger merger zone wise. So that will dry up vacancies for 1 to 2 years just for proper manpower planning. So for that, banks may take more number of people this time. Okay, I want all of you to like this video. If you do this, I will come up with exact number, etc. in coming days. We are doing extensive research in this, and I have on your demand, I have constituted best 15 people and headed by one ex-CM to look into all RRB related matter, be it content, be it questions, be it MCQs, be it recruitment. So I want you, and they will stay motivated. That's why I gave the credit to them. And in case you have any info, you can always send us and we will feature it in our videos. I love inputs from your side. So restructuring, then recapitalization. पैसा आएगा तो recruitment तो होगा ही. Recapitalization has happened, more than 4,000 crore. I will check the exact numbers. Has come to bank. RRBs. So that is one thing. When you have more capitals, you can go with recruitment. Capital in terms of meeting the Basel norms and for healthy RRBs. So that means when you have money, you can go for recruitment always. This is in the case of banks, this happens. So recapitalization has happened. That means healthy recruitments are to come. This is an industry trend. There is no, there is no written agreement that I have the banks, government has done recapitalization, RRBs has to recruit, but this is a general common sense, and it comes off in our due course. And whenever there was a recapitalization from RRBs, 3 years back it has been done. So again, there was a good number of recruitments. So it is a general trend. So what is the difference from the last year's recruitment numbers and this year's expected numbers? Looking into the vacancy positions of various banks, there will be no huge jump, but still you can see 250 vacancy was there last time. 113 113 लोगों को लिया गया, and needless to mention 78 was from Knowledgist. Just to give you the idea what Knowledgist stands for, we have put this figure. So it is self-explanatory why we put it, but it is there. So it is 250 only 113 people were recruited. 250 एडवर्टाइजमेंट में था, 113 लोगों को लिया गया. ठीक है. So constraints you know already we have said you. So this year this will around 280 and 280 people will be recruited, which is what we have got, right? Okay. So last year 970 vacancies in RRB GBOs, scale 2 general banking officer, but recruitment number was half again, 543, and we are proud to say even in scale 2 we have scale 2 GBO we have 355. So you could understand our contribution. But why I put scale 3? Because percentage wise our numbers are high in scale 3, and probably it is miraculous, it is very huge, 78. So that's why we have made a separate prime batch for scale 3 people. But that is not the point of discussion today. 970 posts advertised, 543 recruited. So we expect, and based on the analysis and the vacancy positions and retirements, we could say it could go up to 1100. There was time when 1200, 1300 vacancies were made. We are not here to give you skyrocketing numbers. We will be practical here. So 1100 plus we are expecting. As per our calculation, it comes around 1300, but that was not feasible. That is not sound. Looking into the way sponsor banks are behaving, so we have made it 1100 here. Okay. And again, 2022 should be bigger than 2021. I always say these two batches are very close to my heart. So 355 last time. If this year 1100 plus to become vacancies to be filled, I just want maximum share from that 1100. Why don't we try for 1000? It will be a history. IT 59 people were advertised, 54 taken, and we expect IT is a increasingly required position for RRBs. They have to deal with more number of digitalization, digital products. So they may go up to 70. We don't have factual things to back regarding IT vacancies, because IT vacancies are not discussed. So it is 70. This is a prediction, because we have no basis on claiming how many number of IT people will be there. They will not be huge, but 70 looking into 2 to 3 years pattern, and they have not reduced many from 59. So we expect it as 70. This is a mere assumption. And needless to say, again, 16 people from your platform Knowledgist are there selected in IT. CA 32 advertisement, 12 taken, 1 person only has selected from Knowledgist. This year we are expecting 35. In coming days, I don't think this immediately this year, but after 2 to 3 years, definitely CA number of CAs will go up, because RRBs are need to have increasingly more number of specialist cadre officers. Okay, law 27, but taken 32, 7 from Knowledgist, and this year we are expecting 35. Law, because increasing number of NPA cases are there in RRBs, so maybe more law officers. No prediction, no vacancy details we have. So this is on that assumption. Treasury 9, 10 selected, number more than they have advertised. This year we don't have any idea, because treasury is a very less number of people recruited by RRBs. But yes, 3 to 4 people from RRBs in last 1 year got selected in public sector bank specialist officer treasury role. So we are expecting from last year, I'm not telling about this year, from last year, my students also. So we are expecting they will fill 2 3 more, but we don't have any data on that, so I cannot say. And again, there was no student from treasury, no batch on treasury was running from Knowledgist. Marketing 43, 13 people, very poor number of people got recruited. 2 people only from Knowledgist got selected. This year 50 could go up. Marketing they should, but marketing is a failure in RRBs. They place this because as per the NABARD rule, you have to recruit in Agri, in marketing, in IT, law, because you cannot fill everyone in general banking officer. From different division you have to recruit. But after 1 to 2 years, again the marketing officer becomes a general banking officer, or after 6 months they are posted to branches. After 1 year they are handed over the branch manager job. So these are just for eye washing. These marketing, Agri, Even in IT, the IT people after 6 months, 1 year, they are absorbed in branch banking. So these are eye-watching numbers. So that's why there you cannot see a huge jump in recruitment numbers in these fields. But as they have to show it to to NABARD, they take these positions, they fill these positions, right? Then Agri, 25 only taken, 19 was taken. So from Knowledgist, the 3 from Knowledgist, and this year we are expecting it as 40, right? So this was it. If you have not subscribed to us, and yes, join the dedicated Telegram group. One stop link for course registration is from your app or web portal where you are studying. Okay, and knowledgist.in/RRB. There is the Telegram group. You can also find it out. Any doubt, any questions you can ask me. I could see so many questions coming up. Agriculture first batch after bomb, because you know that when I focus on one thing at a time. Now I was having all the focus on bomb. I need a greater result. Like last time we have 40 people out of 110. I need maximum share in bomb. So after bomb I have only 2 focuses. One is RRB, another is Bob specialist officer. But in credit segment many questions will be same. So 2-3 weekly 1 or 2 classes will be merged with Bob, Bank of Baroda, but rest all the focus will be of RRB. Okay. Yes. Bank wise we will come with an analysis after some days. And results, I have told you in internal group what is going on in SBI. That is the delay is only due to the process of elimination. People are being eliminated. Some people are being eliminated. Many things are happening. Scrutiny, screening, so many things. So it's going on. Hope for the best. It will take time. Royal scale 3 batch is being run combinedly as of now, because we were having focus, most of our RRBNs were having focus on bomb. Most of them were also preparing for bomb scale 3. So that's why combined batch was there. 15th onwards there will be separate batch. 15th and 1st of April. 2 batches, additional 2 batches are going to commence. Okay, so that's all in this edition. Scale 3 batch is separate. Scale 3 batch is meant for separate. Study material is separate. Question pattern is separate. So is everything separate. So don't worry about that. GBO scale 2 batch, now only focus batch is on. Will start from 15th of March. Second edition will start from 1st of April. You can join any of it. If you join before 15th of March, you will be absorbed to 15th March batch. If you join between 15th to 1st of April, you will be absorbed to 1st of April batch. Aspirants Guide Banking says, thanks sir, you have given me a good news and I am attending classes regularly. Thank you. Thank you. I think for BOM, for the sake of BOM, you people got all the classes revision, all the syllabus got cleared in 1 month. So that is an added advantage. Why I added all of you, that it is a bonus for all of you. You have cleared all the study material in just 1 month. And now we have long time. We will restore to regular classes. So, but we have cleared it in a marathon basis. So it is a bonus for you. Scale 1 officer 5-year experience. Sudha Rani is asking me, sir, I am scale 1 officer 5-year experience. Can I try for scale 3 RRB direct? No issue. Give answers, you will get. But score good number of marks in written exam, you will. There is no restriction in RRBs. You can. Also, our experts have answered you. Not only me, our experts are answering to you, to your live comments. Sir, how much question from BOM MCQ we are expecting on 90 out of 90, but let's see. But 90 out of 90 is definitely from MCQ plus the concepts we covered. We are just expanding our research base only for the sake of your, and good news, This year, we are going to give you separate ebooks for mathematics, for quant, in English and in Hindi. Complete ebook with 18 full sets of quant, and specially designed for scale 2, scale 3 pattern. No PO, no material, because we have never worked in POs and clocks. And I always say students who are wanting us to join in scale 1 and clerical level, don't join, because we are not good at that. And we are good at one thing. Probably students say we are best, but I don't know why they find us that. Set score for GPO in RRB. You can also get a posting in GPO by scoring 85 marks, but that depends. 85 marks. हिंदी का ई बुक के ऊपर काम चल रहा है, 15 दिन में हिंदी का ई बुक आ जाएगा. मैथमेटिक्स, क्वांट एंड रीजनिंग का हिंदी वर्जन भी आ रहा है, इंग्लिश वर्जन भी आ रहा है, सेपरेट इंग्लिश का ई बुक आ रहा है. हिंदी का जो बुक किताब है उसके ऊपर अप्रैल 1 से काम चलेगा. नॉर्मल हिंदी, हाँ, हिंदी एग्जाम में बहुत फर्क है. यहाँ पे हिंदी एग्जाम में बहुत फर्क है, तो इसीलिए हम हिंदी के ऊपर स्पेशल रिसर्च किया जाएगा. लास्ट ईयर जहां पे हमने छोड़ा था वहीं से शुरू करेंगे. इस बार हिंदी पे फोकस करेंगे, हिंदी पे भी फोकस होगा. वी नीड wholesome result, and this year, because we are concluding our banking materials by this month end, the RRB materials are on process. Almost banking, quant, reasoning, English will be completed. Computer is already completed. Last year almost all questions from came from computer, and even in central bank all the questions, 20 out of 20 were directly from our study material, from our 500 MCQ. So there is no need to work more on computer part. And banking, always we have seen in last all the exams, maximum questions are coming directly from us. Last time few concepts asked, not direct questions, so that has already been complied. Whatever concepts based questions were asked, this time we have already complied that, so nothing to worry about that. No, ebooks will not be shared in WhatsApp. We'll look to send you hard copies, or we'll revise something for you there. Our materials are not to be shared outside, so it's a strict instruction. We are now a trademark registration company, so we don't want you to share all the materials outside, or even we don't share. It is prohibited, and 3 acts come into effect when you talk about sharing study material. So we also not restoring to share the material. Okay, we are premium and we want to stay premium on that regard. So thank you once again. We'll see you in the other side. From 12th, I will have all the burden coming down from my soldiers after bomb exam is held. 12, 13, I will be analyzing their exam pattern and what is the probability of their selection. But on 14th, I will have an induction class for the 15th batch of RRB, and I will guide you how to start, what to start, and what will be our plan and our strategy. This will be a closed session only for our enrolled students, and from 15th regular classes will start. So thank you once again for joining Knowledgist. And once again I want to reiterate, whether be it BOM or this year RRB, I need results. So those who are serious about their exams, join us. We don't want everybody to join, because I don't want to have a bad percentage when it comes to success rate. So those who are serious can give at least 1 hour a day. Please join. Otherwise, don't waste your time and money here. We are serious. Serious classes are going to be held, so you need to give your time for best. And those who are already prepared, they can give their time in weekends. Last time, those who have left in last year, they can give 4 to 6 hours in weekend. Then only you will crack these exams, because what sense we are currently having is this year the pattern will be bit different. Why? I have already discussed that, and I will also be discussing, because economics will play some role in these exams, and case study based questions may come. So stay prepared. Thank you once again. Before I quit, I just want to ask you to subscribe to